Welcome to our first top 5 memes ever created. I promise you I'm not running out of ideas. Number 5. These nuts. In our number 5 spot, we have these nuts, where this guy just says these nuts on the phone. Roll the clip.
Oh, cause some came in the mail today. These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Number 4. Numa Numa guy. In this video clip, you see a guy dancing to the song Numa Numa. That's why they call him the Numa Numa guy. Roll the clip. Number 3. Dodge or Dodge. In our number 3 spot, we have this dog meme. He is famous for everything you see in the internet. There's even a coin for him. Here's a video of how he looks like and how he dances. Roll the clip. Number 2. Piano Keyboard Cat. Piano Cat may be dead, but his music is forever stuck in our hearts. See a clip of him playing the piano like a masterpiece. Roll the clip. Before we go to our number 1 pick, my name is Just Gaming /Unboxing. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. Now let's move on to the number 1 list. Number 1. Burger King foot lettuce. This meme is our number 1 pick. It shows a person and how he narrates the story and everything is just perfect. Roll the clip.
Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you'd want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot fungus, but as it turns out, that might be what you get. A 4chaner uploaded a photo anonymously to the site showcasing his feet in a plastic bin of lettuce with the statement, "This is the lettuce you eat at Burger King." Admittedly, he had shoes on, but that's even worse.
That's all we have time for, and I'll see you in the next video.